Welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my first ever official YouTube video. So today we are going to do a quick get ready with me / get to know me better video. Of course I'm not going to show you my outfit because I'm wearing track pants below, but I will show you my makeup and how I do it. So let's get started. Before that, for everyone who's here, hi, I'm Simran Agarwal. I'm a chartered accountant and a budding content creator based out of Mumbai. As we're figuring out this together, do subscribe to my channel and come along for the ride. I hope you guys have a lot of fun. And I started this channel literally 2 weeks ago because I wanted to talk about travel, beauty, makeup, lifestyle, skincare, everything that I absolutely love, and share all my recommendations and lovey-dovey things with all of you. So let's get started, and I hope that all of you guys have a lot of fun. Okay, so let's start with the skin prep first. I'm going to use this moisturizer. It's an oil-free moisturizer by Dot and Key. So this goes really well with my skin since I have an oily skin type. Makes you feel really fresh and nice, and we can move on to the first question while my skin absorbs this. CA plus content creator, how does that even work? So right now I'm working with my husband and my father-in-law. So we are into private wealth management. So usually मेरे work timings होते हैं सुबह 9 से लेके 3:30 तक. So after 3:30, essentially I'm free to do whatever I want to do. So since I have so much of free time in my life, my office is like right next to where I live. I just thought कि why not do this? I have a very happening life right now, touch wood. हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा travel करते हैं. I like makeup. I like living a good lifestyle. So I just thought that अगर मैं रोज़ के लाइफ में थोड़े थोड़े स्निप्स ले ही रही हूँ about what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, and I'm posting it on my stories, on my private account of course, why not post it on a public account for everyone to see and to share it with everyone? And while I'm at it, I can also make some money out of it. So yes, also I do like to use this moisturizer from Clinique also. I have like a very small size in this because I just wanted to try it out and see how it works on my skin. It is a good one of course, but it's slightly expensive, so I prefer using the Dot and Key one on a regular basis and the Clinique one when I'm going out and I have like a couple of things planned. Next, I'll be using this serum from Kudali. It's my absolute favorite. It is expensive, but I like it. It's almost over, if you can see it. I will use this. It's my favoriteest concealer. It's from Too Faced, Born This Way, in the shade, I don't know, where do you see the shade? Warm Sand. I just like to take a little bit on my hand. I'm going to use this brush from Sephora. I'm just gonna blend this out. I know I look kind of funny right now, but it will look very nice in just a little time. I'm just so nervous doing this. How did you and Harsh meet? So it was my parents who met him first. So they traveled all the way to his place. They met him. My mom, she really liked Harsh. So then like a week or two after that, a meeting was arranged with both the families together, where Harsh was there, I was there, and yeah, that's how we met. So I feel that the base is all done. So it was an arranged marriage basically. I'm going to use this foundation by MAC. Moving on to the next question. Why did you start a YouTube channel? I had a lot of free time. I had a life that was very happening. So I just thought, oh, why not? You know, अगर इतनी अच्छी लाइफ जी रहे हो तो थोड़ा दिखा दो लोगों को. Like, अगर if I'm having so much fun living it, people can have fun watching it. So I was like, why not? And honestly, when I started my pages, I honestly did not think that content creation is going to be so tough, you know, like it is tough. Like, I'm just gonna blend this out really nice. I love this. Look at that. So the MAC foundation is actually a very full coverage foundation. It is a mattifying foundation. It won't make your skin look dewy or anything like that. So I'm not really sure if I'm going to repurchase this one because I don't know, it just feels a little too heavy on my skin. I wanna opt for a foundation that's a little bit lighter than this. Okay, so I'm using this blush from MAC. Copying your camera. Are you nervous about putting yourself out there? So, जैसा मैं बोल रही थी, when I started this channel, content creation बहुत ज़्यादा easy लग रहा था. ऐसा लग रहा था, oh, it's so like easy money है, बस वीडियोस बना के डालना ही तो है, क्या करना है. And ये मेरा first video है. And जैसे मैं वीडियो बना रही हूँ, बनाते बनाते मुझे रियलाइज़ हो रहा है कि bro, it's not that easy. हम लोग जब एज व्यूअर्स देखते हैं, इट फील्स वेरी ईजी टू आस. इट्स लाइक, अरे क्या है, नॉर्मल रैंडम स्टफ कर रहे हैं, बना के डाल दिया, तुम्हारा कुछ जा नहीं रहा है. बट इट टेक्स अ लॉट ऑफ गट्स टू कम in front of the camera and shoot the videos. Also, this is a very very pretty blush. Also, मुझे देख के मेकअप सीखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बस मुझे देख लो. मैं प्रोडक्ट्स अच्छे यूज़ करती हूँ, बट यूज़ कैसे भी करती हूँ. अभी आप लोग देखोगे ना, वो सब ऐसे ऐसे लाइन बनाते हैं, ऐसे ऐसे कुछ 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 करते हैं, वो सब मेरे को नहीं आता है. मैं उठाऊँगी, जिधर लगेगा उधर लगाओगी और मेरा हो जाएगा. ग्लो तो उतना ही आ रहा है. थोड़ी बंदर लग रही हूँ, बट ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस, ठीक लगेगा. हर्ष मुझे हमेशा यही बोलता है, बहुत ज़्यादा मेकअप कर लिया सिमरन, बहुत ज़्यादा मेकअप कर लिया. जब मैं कर रही होती हूँ तब, जब मेरा मेकअप करके हो जाता है तब आके बोलता है बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है बेबी. नेक्स्ट आई विल यूज़ दिस मिस्ट दैट आई हैव फ्रॉम कोडाली. आई लव दिस. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट ओवर बट आई एम स्टिल गोइंग टू spray this on. मुझे ये मेरे बेस के बाद and like after I'm done using all my cream products and before I move on to the powder products, I like to use this one. It smells amazing. It feels amazing on your skin. जो भी मेकअप होता है, जो भी फेस पे आपके heaviness feel होगा after you're done with your base, it just goes away. So the next question, best country you have ever been to and why? So South Africa is one country where you can do a lot of things. Like Africa सुनोगे, Masai Mara याद आएगा and jungle safari याद आएगा. But trust me, in South Africa you can do a lot more than just go for a random safari and do that. Like हम लोग South Africa गए, we did skydiving, we did bungee jumping, I learned how to ride an ATV, I learned how to ride a Segway, जिप लाइनिंग किया, वाइन टूर्स किया, शार्क केज डाइविंग किया. I've done like so many activities on this one trip. And मैंने फॉर्च्यूनर चलाया at 150, क्या बोलते हैं, 150 किलोमीटर्स चला लिया, बट बोलना नहीं आता, वो हम सीख लेंगे. 150 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर की स्पीड पे मैंने एक फॉर्च्यूनर चलाया है. और मेरी हाइट है 5 फुट 1 इंच. तो इमेजिन करो, एक 5 फुट 1 इंच की लड़की एक फॉर्च्यूनर चला रही है हाईवे पे एट 150 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर. बहुत मज़ा आया. और मेरा पति घोड़े बेच के सो रहा होता है, तो वो 150 का 160 भी हो जाता है. बट वो उसको पता नहीं है, वो उसको अभी पता चला है. So ठीक है. Next question and my next product. Also, I forgot this one thing. I use this lip balm from Laneige. It is my absolute favorite lip balm. हर्ष इतना परेशान हो गया है ना, बोलता है तू इसके अलावा कुछ और कभी तो लगा लिया कर. मैं एक ही लिप बाम देख देख के परेशान हो गया हूँ. बट आई लव दिस. इट हैज़ दैट डोनट वाला एप्लीकेटर एंड इट्स अमेजिंग. I was supposed to do this at the beginning of the routine, but of course, me being me and me being how nervous I am right now shooting this video, I completely forgot about it. Also, when I am doing a makeup that I want to last a lot longer, I also use this primer from K Beauty. I actually wanted a really affordable one, so I got this one. I don't know if you can see the name. It's really dirty. The packaging is really dirty because I've used it so much, but it's a damn good primer. Yeah, so the next question is, what kind of content are you planning to make? So as I said, we like to travel. We travel a lot. I like beauty. I like makeup products. So that's one more thing. My family is very fun. My mother-in-law, she is in fact also a content creator. So मम्मी जी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे अच्छे और इंटरेस्टिंग और फनी रील्स बनाते हैं. I'm going to use this loose powder from Pack Cosmetics, and I just like to use this under my eye, let it sit for 2-3 minutes and then dust it off, and then we'll just talk like this for the next 2-3 minutes. Harsh is sitting here, so I keep looking here. Most underrated destination you have visited? So I've been to Russia, as weird as that sounds, before the war in 2019, and I feel that it's one of the best countries that I've been to, of course after South Africa, but it is amazing. Like, next travel destination on your list? I want to go to New Zealand. It is my dream destination. New Zealand or Iceland. But is it the next destination on my list? No. The next destination on my list is mostly Thailand, but that's something that I have to talk to Harsh about first and then get back to you guys. But if you want to know what the next destination is, you need to subscribe to my channel. अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब किया तो आपको पता चल जाएगा हम किधर जाएंगे. Just a few more questions to go now. Do you earn from content creation yet? I don't. I'm very new. I made my account on 15th March. तुम्हें क्या लगता है सब मुझे पैसे देने के लिए बैठे हुए अभी यहाँ पे? नहीं बैठे हैं, कोई नहीं दे रहा है, एक पैसा नहीं आ रहा है. बल्कि से जो प्रोडक्ट्स मंगा रहे उसके पैसे लग रहे हैं मेरे. जो माइक मंगाया है, जो सेटअप का सामान मंगाया है, उसके पैसे लग रहे हैं. सब मैं नीचे लिंक कर दूंगी, तुम्हें चाहिए तो जाके ले सकते हो, बट फिलहाल मेरे को पैसे नहीं मिल रहे. Next question. One investment that helped your content the most? So the one investment that I would say is the best is the tripod that we got. It's magnetic, so you just stick your phone on it and you can take it around anywhere. लगा दो, content shoot कर लो, मजानी life. So I'm going to use this compact by Estee Lauder, and yeah, I just really like this one because it blurs out everything. It's great to make your skin look even toned. So the next question is, how is life after marriage? But this is the last question, so we will apply the mascara first. This one is from MAC Cosmetics, and then I can answer that question. It is great. So honestly, I come from a nuclear family, and one of the first things that Harsh told me on our very first meeting was that he is from a joint family and it is going to be that way forever. There are 14 to 15 people, and it has been scary, it has been difficult, but it also has been one of the best experiences of my life, and I'm truly, truly grateful to have such a wonderful family, such a loving family. So yeah, that's it for now. I'll just do my lip and then we'll be done. So I'm going to use this lip liner from K Beauty in the shade Fame. It is my go-to lip liner. So I like to line my lips with this lip liner, and then I usually go ahead with just this lip tint that I have from Dior. That is how my makeup looks. Okay, so this is the look. Super wearable, super me. This is honestly my go-to look. किधर भी जाना हो, party, शादी, function, this is the bare minimum that I do. And thank you so much for watching this video, for being with me throughout the video, and do subscribe to my channel. आपको सिर्फ 2 मिनट लगेगा to hit the subscribe button, but it would mean the world to me since I'm a very tiny creator. So do subscribe to my channel for such more get ready with me's. A lot of stuff is coming up. I have so much content planned for all of you guys, but you all need to subscribe to my channel to be able to view all of that. And also please do follow me on Instagram. मैं यहाँ पे किधर link डाल दूँगी और in the description down below. I'm a lot more active here, and now I'm going to be posting a long form content on YouTube every Sunday, so do watch it. Thank you. So bye bye. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much. Bye.